Here we are going on an adventure past the babbling brook. We're going to west of Westeros today. We haven't been any further past this point, and there's a lot further that way that looks very interesting. Big ravines and gullies and possibly the Secret Waterfall. So we're doing an explore. We'll get up this hill first. And up to another ridge line. So I sort of want to go over that way-ish. It's more take the path that I can take. It's a natural animal trail. It's quite easy to go along. So I'll take it. I won't keep going along this way. It's very steep up there. Let's just keep going down here. I do want to start going across up to here. So, we'll see how we go. See water going down in that gully too. So then it starts going up a bit. Oh, I like this log crossing. That seems like the way to go. Oh God, it's a bit rotten. We'll find out if it's... I think it's strong enough. The rotten log bridge. I can hear a whole lot of water over there. Like the deers have been digging up there. It's definitely quite a major deer trail through here. You can see some precipice up there. I can hear a lot of water here. I haven't gone far past the... Ooh. Oh. It's a nice little creek through here. So this is the first time we've been to this little creek. Seems more substantial than the others. We'll see if there's an easier route down this way. It's quite a nice little spot through here actually. Oh, there's another nice little log bridge. Amazing beautiful old rocks. Look at those things, covered in moss. Well, already this walk is worth it. Nice. Beautiful clear water. Yeah, anyway, so we're right down there. Okay, so this is the other water course. So I'm thinking maybe we try to follow it upstream. Might be interesting. First though, I'm going to just have a look what's up there. This is obviously where the deer cross. Oh, yep. sort of feel like going up there now to see what's up there. Let's do that. Yep. Oh, it smells beautiful. Peppermint gum. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, wish you had smell-o-vision. Oh, it smells so nice. Almost at the top here. Well, no, it won't be almost at the top, almost at this first little ridge. I think it really just keeps on climbing. Gangs. Heaps of them. There's another gully here. We're almost at the border. There's a dry gully at the moment. Obviously does run sometimes, eh? Oh well, there we go. I'm almost at the bottom of the block. Pretty much there, so previous owner was thinking of putting a track down here from up there, probably going down there. I don't know why you'd do that, but haven't walked down through there, so I don't even know if it's viable. I feel like there's more interesting things to see up that Western Creek line up here, so I might go back there. Okay, and back down into the gully we go. Caught by the vine. God, they're strong, those things. Come down a bit further than when I crossed. I probably should have come back in up there. It's a bit tricky. It's all right. All things resting on that rock. They've had some water through here, haven't they? Back up to where I initially crossed. Now the trick is, what's the best way to go up? Just go. Oh, I'm going to fill up my water bottle while I'm here. Okay, let's keep trucking on up, see what mysteries we find. Maybe the Secret Waterfall's just around the next corner. Or it could be the opposite direction downstream. Or it could be a totally different creek on one of the other gullies. It's a little eastern yellow robin. Ooh, my gumboots. Oh, blackberry here. Note to self. I'm going to try to get rid of that blackberry. Should have bought secateurs. Well, I know where it is now. Oh God. And it doesn't make it easier getting through. Here. Note to self. Bring secateurs when you go for a walk. I haven't seen any blackberries up until now, so there's a path down in there somewhere. Oh. What may not have been the easiest route up this way. Giant tree ferns. Look at this one here. Is that piece of wood natural? Probably is. It just sort of looks, I don't know. Pick my stepping stones and hope they're reasonably solid. God, look at that tree. That is a beast. Oh, crack. Little hole. Perfectly hot, perfectly formed hole. Probably just an air bubble. Oh. Hang on. I may have found something here. Oh, look what I found. Oh, it's the Secret Waterfall. Oh, and it's pretty cool. It's very cool. Look at that. Yes, I found it. I knew it was west of Westeros. Awesome. Now get over this big old bastard to get there. That's cool. Oh, it's like a carpet. Beautiful soft carpet. How nice would that be to have a sleep on a hot summer day? How cool is this? The Secret Waterfall. Oh, look at that. How nice would that be on a summer day? Like, it's hard to tell from photos, but that's just like the perfect waterhole. Like, it's, I mean, I'm not going to get in because it's cold. Look at that. So the relevance of the waterfall is, when we were looking at the property online for sale, they had a photo of this, and it's like, oh wow, that's cool. It's a bit of a draw photo. And then when we were speaking to the real estate agent, when we were looking at it, she had no idea where it was. It was a photo that the previous owner had supplied. So, I mean, to be honest, could have been on another block or a nearby block or something. But what a beautiful spot. So happy I found it. Alright, we'll be back soon, Secret Waterfall. Looking forward to some nice swims in summer in here. Looks like the lyrebirds like to hang out here too. Don't blame them.